Hey guys, what's up? I'm Britney Louise. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. For all my returning subscribers, hey, how you doing? Hey, hello, what up? What up? I think that that's starting to become like a thing. Like, you know, thumbs up if you love it. I am here to review the Norvina palette. Got this beautiful lavender here, and it is calling my name. Obviously, it's all over my face. We have a new liquid glow highlighter to review as well. I bought the color Rose Gold, so I'm excited to talk to you guys about that. And of course, I had to, because I live for a strong, beautiful lip. Sit back, relax, chill, grab some popcorn, because we about to get all up in this. About to get all up in this. All right. You know, let's just cut to the intro. Let's cut it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off with the Norvina palette. Don't mind my voice. It was my fiance's birthday and your girl kicked it a little too hard, okay? Just a tad. So I got that deep voice out of nowhere, having that. The hot commodity this week is the Norvina palette. I'm going to show you guys the palette. Beautiful. Same type of cohesive look that all ABH gives us. There is also, like all her palettes that are $42, because all of them are $42. This one is no different. It is $42. 14 shades. Comes with a double-ended brush like all of her palettes. That is still consistent. That's still the same thing. Nothing has changed there. I'm going to swatch a few of the shimmer colors and some of the matte colors. I will tell you that the shimmers are ridiculous. Like, I'm not doing a lot at all. And look how much pigment is already on my fingers. And then just on the back of my hand, I'm gonna take that Celestial, Dazzling, and Drama. So those are those colors. Okay, so on this hand, I'm gonna swatch the mattes. And then just on the back of my arm, you've got Love, Incense, Soul, Base. So the colors Soul and Love happen to have a nice, it looks like a pressed, like really light shimmer reflex in them. Okay, so now that we have done our quick swatches, I'm going to step off camera just for a few moments on your end, and I'm gonna come up with a look on one eye. I'm gonna come back on camera and show you the look I did on the other eye, and we are gonna keep it moving, keep it rolling. So I shall be right back. I shall return, my friends. I am back, and this is the look I came up with. Nice and subtle, very quick look. Let me show you how I came up with this look. So I'm taking my fluffy brush and I am taking the color Drama, and I am placing that right in my eyes. And I'm just sweeping that color right into on both sides of my eye. Next, I'm taking the color Celestial, and I am starting to close in the center of my eye just a little bit at a time. I'm gonna dip into the color Rose Gold, and I'm just placing that directly in the center. And then I'm gonna go right above the color Rose Gold with the color Wild Child, and I'm just gonna kind of add like a highlight over my highlight, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna add this light pink just at the top of where that rose gold ends. Okay, so that is kind of the first part and how I did my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in and put my eyeliner on. So I'm just going in with fly liner and I'm just going to create and try to mimic the wing that I made. This eye. If you notice, I have just a little bit of shine and sparkle in here, and that is because I decided to use the Heavy Metals by Urban Decay because the look is kind of boring a little bit, so I wanted to add a little bit of, you know, just a chat, a bit of fun. So in between both lines that I created with my eyeliner, I am just lightly painting that glitter liner. I'm going to go into the color Soul. I'm going to take a small detailed brush. This one is from the It's My Ray Ray collection with BH Cosmetics. And I'm just going to go right underneath my eyeline. I really, really, really love this color. It is very pretty. Yeah, so the color is almost like a periwinkle. And then I'm going to dip into the color Passion again. And I'm just kind of creating a shadow right underneath Soul. Then I kind of went in with the color Volatile. And this is really to just create some depth underneath Soul. Underneath the color Soul. I brought Soul all the way up to the corner, to the inner corner of my eye. And then I took a smaller detailed brush, it's really a lip brush, and I dipped into the color Dazzling. And I am just placing that right there in the center of my eye to just draw attention to the center of my face. Even though I don't need a brow highlight because my brows are just giving me all types of the blues, because I am really trying to hold out on getting my brows taken care of until September. I still decided to disrespect all the hairs and show them on my brow bone. I'm just taking a very clean, fluffy brush and just kind of diffusing that color down some. Okay guys, so that is it for the Norvina palette. So let me let you see what it looks like after just about 2 uses of it. So that's what it looks like. Just like Anastasia Beverly Hills other palettes, it retails for $42. So go ahead, Norvina. The palette is very cute. I wanted to have just a tad bit more boom to it. Just a little boom, just a boom, just a little bit more, just pow. I think it's still very subtle. It's real cute, it's for the real cute girls. It's real subtle. We are gonna move on to the Liquid Glow Highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. She launched 3 other colors to add to the Liquid Glow collection. The color that I decided to order was the color Rose Gold. And let me show you what that looks like. So I'm just gonna put a tad bit here, because you just need a little bit. And I'm just going to rub that out. I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender and I'm going to just tap right into that color. And I'm going to just start pressing that in really, really hard on my cheeks. It is a really, really beautiful subtle glow. However the light hits it, it just strobes with the light. It looks so natural. That's a sun-kissed glow right there. Like, that glow is just ridiculous. You get 0.68 fluid ounces in this little tube here, but I think it goes a long way. Now, it dries down pretty fast, so you gotta move with it. You gotta work with it. So I would definitely recommend using a damp sponge when working with this liquid glow highlighter. I'm gonna need y'all to make a bottle about this big so I could just have it for a long time. You know what I'm saying? I'm willing to pay for that. I'm willing to pay for a bottle like 5 times this size just so I can have it forever. Like, I love this liquid glow. It is the bomb. It's very pretty. So I'm gonna finish off my look with this beautiful violet lip color. It is so rich in pigment, like really rich in pigment. Ooh, honey. You know, that just brought all of this together, Okay, guys, so this is the finished look all together now. Tell me what you think in the comments below. The palette is nice. It's a nice subtle palette. It's a beautiful color story, but it gives a nice subtle finish. I wanted the shimmers to just be a little bit more vibrant than they are. They kind of start off really vibrant, but then they kind of settle down. My favorite launch are the additional liquid glow colors. So this was my favorite thing. So I love the new violet liquid lipstick color. It is gorgeous. What do you think about the lip? Is the lip too bold for you or no? I just want to thank you so much for watching, so much for hanging out with me today, chilling with me, chilling out, maxing, relaxing out, cool, shooting some b-ball outside of the school with me. Make sure that before you click off this video or hit another video to watch, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, share this video with somebody else, click here or here or here or there to watch another video. Bye, guys. Mwah.